Recently, WhatsApp made it possible to transmit HD photographs in addition to standard resolution. Although that was a good development, the Meta-owned site now allows users to post HD films. The launch of the functionality was verified by the business to TechCrunch on Friday. With the help of this new function, WhatsApp users may now share movies in HD, 720p quality, which is a substantial improvement over the old standard of 480p. Since it was first made available in the messaging platform's test version in July, the function has been anticipated. The processes for sharing an HD movie are quite similar to those for sharing an HD picture. After picking the particular movie they wish to share with their friends, users would notice the new HD option. After choose which material to share, go to the edit page and look for the HD option. The user will see several resolution choices after clicking the button. The normal 480p version and the new HD 720p version, if any is available, will be set as the default. Users may choose either, and before sharing, the corresponding file sizes can be viewed. The relative HD watermark on the video lets the receiver know the HD version of the video has been sent. Users must be aware that sharing huge files in HD requires more time than standard quality, in addition to the greater file size, because it is in HD, as opposed to standard quality, which requires less space and transfers data more quickly. However, it will be fun to share your favorite films with your friends and family in the platform's well-liked groups in a higher and crisper style. As WhatsApp CEO Will Cathcart noted after the HD picture sharing upgrade, sending higher quality video was also a widely requested feature. It is encouraging to see WhatsApp addressing user input and introducing capabilities that have previously been offered by some of the top messaging services.